In this video, we'll be learning how to use the settings inside of Voyager. So if we go over here to the left and we click on settings, this is where we can edit any of our settings, or we can also choose to add a new setting. So let's go ahead and just maybe upload a site logo. So I'll go to the desktop and I have the Voyager logo here. So I can then click on that and click on Save Settings. And now if we scroll down, you can see that we now have this Voyager logo right here. And then we can choose to delete that image if we would like, or we can update that image. So to display this on the front end, we can simply just say setting site.title. So maybe I want this title to be Voyager is awesome. So let me go ahead and save that. And let me go ahead and go into the code. And what I'm going to want to do is to go into my resources, views, and I'm just going to edit this welcome.blade. So I'm going to go down here and I will just add some content right below the Laravel header. So I'm just going to add a h1, and this is going to be the site title. So I can simply just say setting site title. So now go ahead and save that and then go back to the home page. And sure enough, we have Voyager is awesome. So if I were to change that, let me open this up in a new tab, go to admin settings, and I can change this to Voyager is the coolest. Click on save settings. Now we go back here, reload, and we get Voyager is the coolest. So you can see then you can go down here and you can add a new setting if you would like. So maybe we want to have, we already have a description here, but let's just add another description. So say I want this to have a name of description, and the key, I will save it as description, and we'll say that the type, we want this to be a text box, and then I can select the group, or I can add a new one. So I'm just going to call this maybe general, and I'll say add new setting. So now you can see that we have general, site, and admin. So now I can then reference this description by echoing out setting general.description. This is my awesome description. So then I can save that and go back into the code where we want to echo this, and maybe we want to echo this inside of a paragraph tag. And this is going to be general.description. So if I save that and we go back here and reload, now we're going to get that description right here. And we can do the same for the logo. So say that maybe we wanted the logo, we could just say image source equals, and then we can use a helper, which is called Voyager image. And we want to get the setting site.logo. And we'll save that, go back here and reload, and we're going to get unexpected. And that is because I don't need to have this there. Let's reload, and now we get the logo there. So you can see that it's very easy to be able to add any kind of settings inside of Voyager, and then you can simply display it or echo it on the front end of your application.